Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys the ABC of Makossa, right? And I'm going to use this progression: a 1, 4, 1, 5, right? So 1, 4, right? So 1, 5. So we can actually use this song. Obrigado, obrigado. Right, it's a popular song, right? It's a popular song. So I'm just going to teach you simple Makossa bassline. A simple Makossa bassline you can actually use. So this is actually for beginners, right? This is actually for beginners who want to start learning how to play African praise. So yes, we can just start with this, and I'm sure you're gonna learn and you're gonna do well, right? So let's just start. I'm playing the key of F, right? So this is the progression. So the progression is fa, do, right? So do, right? So do, obrigado, fa, obrigado, 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 da 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 da. So you can come here and play it. Right, so that is all. So let's just play a simple groovy line, right? Yes, for you to just learn it. So we can just start with right? So you can just start with that. So right, so what I'm playing is do, mi, fa, la, do, mi, so, ti. If I'm using my pinky and my ring, so this is the first line you can actually use. Try this as slow as possible, right? Before you get to your desired tempo. So we can start and we can get another one. So we can just very simple, right? So what I'm playing is do, mi, do, la, fa, fa, do, mi, do, ti, so, so, do. Right? So sorry. Right? Let me play it slower again. So do, la, fa, fa, do, mi, do, ti, so, so, do. That is also obrigado, 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 obrigado. So you can even step it up with we spice it up, right? Right? So you can actually step it up like that or spice it up like that. So what I'm playing is so do, mi, so, right? So do, mi, so, so do, mi, so, so do, mi, so, right? So do, mi, so, ti, do, ti, so, so, do, so do, mi, so, do, la, fa, fa, do, so do, mi, so, do, ti, so, so, do, right? So let's start from that first one. So right? Sorry. Second one now. Right. Next one. So you see, you're having 3 different variations on the same song. So it's not going to make you sound the same. It's actually going to make you sound, let's say, different, right? But you are still on the same song, on the same progression. Let's go again over it. First one. Second one now. So let's go to the third one. Sorry. Right, so I actually mentioned the progression, right? So do mi so, then do la fa fa do, so do mi so, then do ti so do. Right, that's that for that. So try as much as possible to play it as slow as possible. Use a metronome or a drum track, a drum beat, backing track. It's actually going to help you stay on time and rhythm, right? So let's try to create something again. So you can just so we can just try. Right, so this one is just like a support it gives, and it's like your kick on the bass. So some people actually use the thumb and index to strike, which I'm going to teach you how to do that later, right? So we can just right, so do ba, right, and it's muted, right? It's muted. It's just like a ghost note also. Right, so ba bum 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 bum, right? So right, so you can just keep going like that. So let's try again. 1, 2, 3, go. Ba bum 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 bum. So like I said, it's like a ghost note, and it's like an assist it's giving you. It's like the kick, right? So constant. Then right. Get it? Alright? Very simple. You can use it like that. Alright, let's go again. Tito now. Very simple. You see? So it's just helping. So some people that right? So you can just you see? The continuous. Very simple, so right? It's not a definite note. It's like I said, it's a ghost note, and it's dead, right? So it's very very simple. You can actually use that. So when you are playing, so if you are playing a continuous line like that, it's going to help make the music have a pulse, and it's going to make the music breathe well, right? So let's say you want to use this particular technique now, and on the same progression, you can play. You see how it's working. So let's go again. 1, 2, slowly. 1, 2, 3, go. So let's sing along. Sorry. Right? So you see, you're actually playing a full Makossa now. Alright, so you can just do it. What I'm playing is so do fa 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 do, so do ti do, so do fa 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 do, so do ti do. Why? You can put me. What I did there, so me do fa 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 do, so do ti do me do fa 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 do, so do ti do. You get it? So what I mean is do ti do me do fa 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 do. Right, so you see, you can use the tongue. So we have people who use the thumb like this. So what they do is just the thumb and index. So I'm actually used to this one, right? So I'm more comfortable with it. I can actually use both of them, but I started using this, right? And I think it made me more comfortable with it. So, but it's not that I cannot use the other one. I can use it very well also, right? So you can just right. So you can, when you actually use the technique, practice it more, you will actually get used to it. Right? It's not a hard technique. It's something when you practice, you give it time, it's actually going to get used to you. So these are the little things that I think I'm going to show you for today. So I think I'm going to continue this series of Makossa songs. So I'm going to get 1 or 2 songs. We'll keep trashing songs, right? So first one, right? Second one. Third one. The fourth one. The fourth one now is right. Then we added right. That's the last one. Right. So I'm going to see you guys in my next class. Yes. So just practice it as slow as possible. Use a metronome, like I said earlier. I think this is going to help, right? Like I said, this is for beginners. This is for beginners only. I know intermediate and professionals will not want to use this. I don't know. But this is basically meant for beginners. That's why I call it the ABC of Makossa, using the 1-4-1-5 progression, right? I'm going to see you in my next video. Stay tuned.